Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts for you. I hope you found the previous videos useful. I trust that you are liking the accuracy that we are getting in terms of our analysis. So, to cut a long story short and to just fill you in if you're viewing this video for the first time, that's what we see as the top of this bull market. We've seen this strong price movement down, and we're seeing this as a wave 2 rally. Okay, so in terms of Elliott wave analysis, this is basically the start of the bear market, the pullback, and then what we expect to see is a strong continuation. Now, in terms of our energy analysis and Wyckoff and price action analysis, we've seen various bouts of selling occur, and this was an opportunity once again to sell into the pullback. Basically, the distribution should be more or less complete, which means that what we expect to see now is strong movement going downwards. We might see some resistance at around about the 34,000 level, but I don't expect there's going to be much resistance there. I expect that this area here, whilst it did provide a lot of resistance in the first instance, I expect this is going to be broken through quite easily, because it was an area where we saw distribution occur, and this action going up here, as you can see, it's relatively weak, which means that most of the selling has already occurred. Okay, this is all of these areas here, that's where most of the selling occurred already. So this is a weak counter trend rally to basically trap anyone, in my opinion. I should add, none of this is financial advice. This is just the analysis of the chart experts, so we expect for this movement to get stronger and stronger and stronger. There was, I should add, a opportunity to, let's get rid of that annoying angle. Okay, right, yeah, right. So there was an opportunity for a counter trend rally that was possible, but it's looking more and more like a higher risk counter trend play, really. So we had put a trade on my Patreon channel to counter trend rally, to see a counter trend rally which could have seen this top tested and maybe even exceeded to around about 60,000. But having seen the state of play on wider, for example, US markets and so on, which I'd mentioned previously had reached their targets, and were likely to correct significantly. So we had forecast for those wider US markets to have reached the top already, and for a bear market to begin in terms of the US indices and stocks, and that will obviously impact on the FTSE and so on. So we are looking at the wider markets, and we had forecast for there to start a serious correction in the wider markets as well. So we expect now that everything will go down together, and this is going to be a shocker in my humble opinion. Okay, now obviously we can be wrong. The markets can do things which we don't expect, and quite often when a target is reached, it can be exceeded quite significantly. But for us, in terms of risk management, this is a risk-off environment. We are not looking to take that more significant risk on. Okay, so here we are risk off. We're expecting for these markets to slide. Okay, so any counter trend moves now this move here, this weak looking rally, did surprise us with its strength. Looking back in hindsight, I shouldn't have been surprised really, but these are all moments where you need to look at your analysis and say, okay, where can I improve, where can I improve, where can I improve? And so those adjustments have been made. So basically we just want to increase the accuracy of our forecasts with each passing day really, and that's why we put in the hours to make sure that our analysis is better and better and keeps on improving. So right now what we're expecting is for this market to give way. We don't expect 39k to hold. We're expecting this market to slide down strongly, and no, we are not expecting 29k to, what is that, 28k. We're not expecting a 28k to hold in the medium to long term. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Wishing you every success in cryptocurrency. If you want more of this type of content, please join me on my Patreon channel, where I do targets and where I can keep you more regularly updated. But hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye bye.